Hi everybody, Kate Toretto here. Good evening from Skardu, Pakistan. So for today's video, come with me as I'm about to make my special vlog. And let's start this with the bonfire. I don't know what's gonna happen tonight, but let's just go and sit with them. Finally, I said yes to go sit with the co-passengers. Finally have the energy because we were able to get back home around 8 in the evening. I was expecting around 10, but so I was able to fix myself. I was able to take a little rest. So let's go ahead and join them. The bonfire has been happening since the day that I arrived, but this is the first time that I'm gonna be joining the gang. So let's do it. Everybody, so this is the current situation. Ang taray, gusto mo yan? This is only us. Ito lang yung kagrupo ko. Taray, school project. And I think this one is the other group. Hello! Ayan sila. Ayan yung other, di ko sa kilala, but okay, hi. So, ayun na nga, wait. So, ayun na nga, there is a discussion going on with the tour guide and the rest of my co-passengers since I don't understand them, and I just asked some passengers. So they told me that there is a blockage because we're about to go to another place tomorrow. That's gonna be our last day, I think. Okay, I'm not sure. So I think we're gonna be going somewhere like Chilas or Naran. But there's a blockage happening. There was a landslide and also some people, I'm not sure how, okay, I'm not sure. Some people also like doing a strike because of the petrol strike. And taray, petrol strike, very, very Philippines, right? So I don't know if we're gonna be extending here like a day more or whatnot. So some of the passengers are not okay with it, but I'm totally okay with it since I'm not, since wala naman akong hinahabol na oras. But some of them have jobs, so okay. But my original plan, honestly, is actually to stay here a little bit more longer. But let's see. So if we're gonna be here like for one more day, that's gonna be good for me because I wanted to do a lot more things here. But if not, that's also okay. I mean, there's always next time. Oh, ayun. So just waiting for Ganap. They asked me to sit here. We're gonna talk to you, sit with us. Wala naman nangyayari. Nauna pa yung kabilang table chumika sa akin, Day. Oh. So, if in 2 minutes, kapag walang ganap, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna do what I wanted to do. Best friend, say hi.
Hi to everyone. How are you? This is for bonfire time. Enjoy and chill.
I want to sit there, but it's so hot. Maybe we should move a little.
Yeah.
I'm gonna sit there, then let's move a little back. But there's a family at the back.
Yeah.
So, hi. Aminin mo, I'm fresh ko today. Alam niyo yan. Okay. Wait.
Sit here.
Okay, I wanna sit here. You're not seen. Wait, I'll move here. Okay. Everybody, I told you, so the other table invited me to sit with them. They were talking about something, so why not make vlog with them? So let's go ahead and do it. You're asking about something, Diosay?
Yes, so now I just need to ask you like...
Wait, sorry. The angle is wrong. Okay, the angle is correct now. You want to ask me something?
We do have some questions regarding about
Dosai, Basho.
Honestly, I don't know where we have been. Because the tour guide is not explaining the things.
Okay,
so I just keep going with the flow.
Like you booked the Prado and you've been up there?
Where?
Dosai?
Yesterday we were there.
Okay, so how was your experience like?
It was so tiring. It was like the most tiring part of the trip because I cried.
So is it comes onto the adventure side or it's just only, you don't feel comfortable on it?
No, I'm happy, but I'm not that kind of traveler who do adventure a lot.
So if I ask
But I like it.
If I ask you, just give me some points, like how much you might give the rating out of 10.
I think for experience-wise, I'm gonna say like 9.5 out of 10. Because it was rewarding. The place is rewarding. It's just, I'm really just exhausted for the last 4 days. But for example, I'm gonna be staying there for a night. I think it's really gonna be beautiful.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you are giving 9.5 out of 10, right?
It's beautiful, it's beautiful.
So according to you, it's good, right?
Yes.
and some people just told me that there's too much, they cannot travel on a road, and they are not comfortable on the
It's
road.
not for everyone. It's part of my blog. I mentioned that it's not for everyone. For like old woman, pregnant, those who has motion sickness, it's not for them. Everybody, that's it. So we just like want to talk about that, and
Typical rasta jaane mein.
my friends are inviting me to go out as well. So we're gonna be doing that now. Okay. Okay, one more. Sure.
More left, okay? When you've been there, okay? So how was your experience over there in Dubai, like the restaurant, the lakes and all?
It's really beautiful. Like you can no longer explain if it's still Pakistan. It looks like Switzerland.
Oh.
It's really beautiful. Yes.
Pakistan is beautiful.
Yeah, you can no longer explain it in the place. You can no longer explain it in a word. It looks unreal. It's unexplainable. The beauty is something you can no longer explain. It's like you're in another planet.
Oh, great. So you love Pakistan, right?
A lot. I've been here for 2 months and 1 week now.
Oh,
I have 1 more month to spend.
oh, great. And then best of luck.
Yes, thank you. I'm gonna go with my friends now. Nice meeting you.
You too. Bye.
We shake hands, ah. Okay, come here, let's start the vlog. Everybody, so, wait nga. Ba yan yung... Everybody, so I finished talking with those guys. So, he was also in Dubai, that's why I entertained him. He's nice, so, that's it. Ano ba, mag-walk-walk kami, kaso, say hi first, Abdullah.
Hi.
Hello. Say
How are you?
say hi everybody.
Hi everybody.
Ang tagal ng mga kasama ko. So, tinan mo yung mga nag-invite, sila pa yung wala. Oh, let's go walk, Abdullah. Let's leave them.
Okay.
Everybody, we are outside of the hotel. As you can see, it's really dark. If I put my light, like that. But let's keep the light off. Hoy! Okay, sana yung Skydo, kaso ano, ang agang nagsasara ng mga store. Like, parang 9 pa lang, sarado na halos lahat. So, ayun, nakaka-bored. Bala ko pa naman magstay sana dito next time ng matagal, pero hindi ka nakikita. Bala ko pa naman sana magstay dito ng matagal, kaso parang patay yung lugar kapag ano na 8, 9 wala na siya. So, ayan. Tignan mo, nasa kanto na kami. Abdullah!
Yes, yes.
Stay with me!
Okay.
Tignan mo, nasa kanto na kami ni Abdullah. They are still not here. Hala, taray mekaniko. Alas 10 na. So, ayun. Tara, mag-walk-walk. Gago, tala may tsura ko. Nag-ayos talaga ako dahil kasi feeling ko, parang for the last 5 days, hagad na ako. So, hello! Tinawag ko. Hello! Ganun dapat. Gago. Puti ko, parang kukunin na ako. Huwag naman kunin. Okay, you decide where we will go.
Back hotel. No.
Why? Ang boring na itong kasama. Ang boring mo naman. You decide where we will go. Back hotel?
Because I am very tired.
Ano tong walk na to? Hello. Alam mo, parang itong special vlog na to hindi possible. Pag ganito yung kasama mo, wala. Diba? Pero mo sa tayo pupunta, umuwi, bumalik, shoota. Ay, do you wanna go back? I will go alone.
No, no.
Cause I want to go somewhere. Alam mo namin, kasi groceries na. Late at night is good. Ay, shucks. Punta na lang tayo sa store. Tuloy ko magagawa dito. Hoy, ayan na! Shoota! Kaya naman pala ang tagal-tagal. Tignan mo, dala yung buong barangay, shoota.
Hi, Kay, where are you? I am looking at you behind.
What?
I am searching you.
You found me.
My
Your heart.
heart is very sad when I not see you.
Really?
When I not see you, my deal is broken.
Buisit ka. Gusto ko yung sagot niya. Ang ganda nun. Okay, where are we going?
जो मैं बोलूँगा आपको ट्राले से बात
Ang ganda ng sagot niya. Wherever the road takes us daw. Gusto ko yung mga ganyan. Ganyan in real life, ganyan ginagawa ko eh. Sumasakay lang ako. Parang ginawa ko sa pa-shower.
My hand.
Bahala na, kahit hindi kami nagkakaintindi, sumakay na lang ako. Hoy, tinan mo, ayan kami, buong barangay dahi. Oh, Laban. Oy, everybody, oh, look, oh, so this is the road. Hoy, ang sayo nito, ang dami namin, oh, look, oh. Taray! Oh, so we don't really have plans where we will go. I hope this vlog ends really well, so I'm gonna do my best. Hello. Okay, let's do this! Hoy, alam mo tong kotse na to, kaya na pa yung nagpa-party-party, umiikot-ikot sila dito. Hindi pa pag tipo na wala ka magawa sa lugar nyo, oh. Mag-road trip kayo. Lalapitan ko to. Ah! Hey! Oh, ang saya, di ba? Ang cute naman na ito. Ang saya. Walking lang. Hello! Oh, sabi ko sa inyo eh. Gagawin ko tong malabunday. Walk lang. Kala mo mga tambay sa kanto namin dyan. Ay, mga tambay namin sa kanto sa Nyugan. Magtitino na kayo. Tantanan nyo yung pangungutang sa tulay. Tsaka sa BNR. Ay, charos. Kala mo hindi kasama sa mga gumagawa nun. Shout out sa inyo. Oh, ay, sila na naman. Ano talaga akong tantanan.
Sabi?
Hoy, kapag yung camera ko bigla akong pinababa, ibig sabihin may babae o mga babaeng tawag dyan? Naka-veil, ganon. Hoy, finally, parang magkakaroon na ng ganap. O, ayan na. Daming tao, oh. Ala, magganyan tayo, mag-ice cream na lang tayo. Hello! Parang I wanna do na, ice cream. Ayaw nila ng ice cream. Ayoko rin naman, pero parang ayaw na lang kasi pwede mong gawin din dito.
They only like me.
Drama. Okay, let's walk a little bit more. Let's see where this place will take us. Let's do this, everybody. Kaya ang dami nangyayari sa lugar na to. Sobra. Tignan mo, oh. Oh, Diyos ko po, parang biglang na-stress ako, wait lang. Ina-atake tayo ng Ay, may crowd anxiety na ako. After nung nangyari sa Moha, may crowd anxiety na ako. Hindi ko na siya natanggal. Ang tagal ko nang I'm trying to move forward, I'm trying to forget it, but meron na talaga. Parang sarili ko na lang yung pinakita. Ay, shoot, yung usok. Wait lang. Yung usok! Shoot, tinan mo Hindi niya mabuksan. Go. Open. Open!
Don't carry a kick hard.
Open mo yan. Kaya hindi niya pa pinapaandar. Hindi niya mapaandar. Oh, go.
No fuel.
No fuel? Ba yan? Pakailamero ko, no? Yung inutusan ko talaga. Open. Wala palang gas. Pinilit. Tulak mo yan. Hoy, ang saya. Ang dami namin, no, look. Oh, see? Oh. Hoy. Biglang-bigla na lang naging ilaw. Hoy, alam mo, for once, gawin ko naman kung ano yung trip ng mga lokal. Huwag yung puro yung trip ko. Kasi ako alam ko na yung trip ko. I will sit there and I know like some people will approach me and then I can start talking to them and I can make a special vlog. So, for tonight's video, bakit hindi naman kaya yung sundan ko lang sila? Like, sundan ko lang yung alon. Let me see where they will take me. So, let's see kung saan nila ako madadala. Hi! So, ayan. Ayan kami. Walking. Kaya ang saya nito. Na-enjoy ko to kahit, let's be honest, sorry. Yung trip nila, medyo hindi ko trip, but let's do it, Just so we can also have like a content like what locals do in the night. In the night? Okay, umaarte. Past 11 na. English ko, it's not working. It's already resting. Hoy, I think this is the place that I saw when we first arrived here. It was so lively, but it's kinda late na kasi, so medyo wala na ring ganap. But I think around 7 or 8, this place is so lively. Like, a lot of people are here, like, doing a lot of things. The restaurants are open, things like that. But now it's not so. Hi! May nakikita akong chai. Special masala chai. Ako, wag mo akong pinapatulan ko ang chai. Pag ganito nakikrave ako. You have chai? Chai, ne?
Yes.
Have ek. You want? Do. Make it do. Shoot, sarado na. Bad trip. Sayang naman. Nakikrave kasi ako sa chai. Isang beses pa lang ako nag-chai sa araw na to. Nung umaga lang sa hotel. Tapos, nung afternoon, wala ako nakitang chai somewhere around the world. Around the world? Along the way. Saan nang galing yung around the world? Taray. Ito pala yung trip. Pharmacy. Okay. Oh, ayan, kakasunod ko. Pharmacy yung ending. Shoota, kung solo lang ako, alam niyo mga mami. Kita niyo yung car kanina? Sumama na ako doon. Ako! But we're behaving today. Okay, let's behave. Huwag tayong gumawa ng something nakakaloka. Okay, so let's just behave for today's video. Hi!
How are you?
Beautiful and pretty. Beautiful and perfect. I'm just walking. Yes. I think so. Shoota, ang gwapo nung nagdadrive. Yung naka-motorcycle na. Kumukha ni Jesus Christ. Shucks. So, magpaiwan. Umuwi na kayo. Charos. Ang gwapo. Ina. Hindi lang ako. Sabi ko sa inyo, kung ako mag-isa lang talaga. Nako. Saan kami? I will teach you something. When you see someone beautiful, you say, pisting yawa. Pisting yawa.
Yeah.
Say,
Say.
pisting yawa. Pisting
Pistin.
yawa.
Yeah.
Yawa.
Yava.
Yeah, it means you're beautiful.
Yeah.
And when you say thank you, you say shutaka. Shutaka.
Shota.
Shutaka.
Shotaha.
Yes. Okay. You say, tell me, pisting yawa. Tell me, pisting yawa.
Tell me.
Say to me, pisting yawa. Say to me, pisting yawa. Tell me na, pisting yawa.
I don't know.
Ang hirap mong kausap, hirap mong kabanding. Bala ka dyan. Iniwanan. Tara na. I want juice, let's go. I want apple juice.
Apple juice.
Yes. I hope you have. I don't think you have one. Okay. No problem. I'll just do peach. It's not cold. What's this? Hey, you know what? Sorry. You know what? I miss guava. Let's do guava na lang. But it's not cold. Okay. Guava. Hey, when I arrived in Pakistan, this one became my favorite. The guava and the peach is so good. Are so good kasi dalawa pala. How much?
80.
Shukriya. Let's go. Tanan! Hi, we're about to go home. Makahiwalay. But let's just check this place a little bit because it looks interesting. So let's see what we can find here. Hello! Uy, parang ang saya. O, yun lang. Pero kumain na kasi kami, but I just wanna show you the place. Oh. That's it. Just in case na nasa Scardo kayo, you wanna like walk outside in the middle of the night, just so you know, you can find a place, you can find a place like this here. Sa gilid siya ng PSO gas station. Okay, bala na kayo maghanap. Ay, wala lang. Maganto-ganto na. Ay, parang ganda ko sa ilaw nila, oh. I admit it, ang ganda ng skin ko. Wala pang tulog yan, ah. Ay. Oh, I love this. Mag-ice cream tayo. Ay, may pa toppings. You know, I don't like ice cream, but wala lang ako magawa. So, let's do this. Push na lang natin to. Shukriya. Mag-ice cream tayo. Huwag kang KJ. Okay. Yun lang. Balik na kami. Para lang may magawa. Wala, conservative yung mga kasama ko eh. Kung mang kasama kong Becky to, nako, dahil nakikipag-inuman na sa kanto to for sure. O diba, ang lakas ng, ang lakas ng impluensya ko. Bibili na silang lahat. I told you. Yung convincing power ko. Hoy, alam mo, if you don't lie, if you, tawag dito, if you, anong tawag doon? O basta yung mga salita mo, pinanghahawakan mo, you do your words, you fulfill your promises, yung value mo as a person tumataas. Like me, if I commit into something, I will commit. Hoy, now I understand why there's a lot of people in the gas station. Di ba nga merong strike? Ah, okay, so everyone would like to get it now. Kasi tomorrow morning daw siya magtataas. Ay, tumulo. Tumulo siya. Everyone's buying na. I told you, but you didn't listen to my told. Ay, namiss ko yung bebe ko. Sulaiman, if you're watching, namiss you. I love you. Charot! This is for you. Ay, ang ganda ko talaga sa ilaw nila, Day. Oh! I love this. Hoy, tignan nyo. Ito yung gas station. Wait, I'll show you. Ayun siya, di ba? Super layo. Ito yung pila ng tao na gustong magpagas. See, it's so long. So long. Ay. Kasi nga, di ba, again, merong petrol strike for tomorrow. Just received the news. So for the rest of the theme, so for, yeah, she just told me that we're gonna be stuck here in the next 3 days because I don't know, I forgot, but I think like aside from political reason, the weather is not really good, and there was also a landslide. So we're gonna be in this hotel. I'm not sure in the next 3 days, and they will try. They said that they will try to leave like the day after tomorrow, but most probably we're gonna be stuck here the next 3 days, which I don't mind, honestly. I mean, see, this is like what a full-time content creator can do. You can just be here, that's it. But the thing is, the internet, as long as there's internet, as long as I can upload YouTube and everything, I'm good. Anyways, we're back in the hotel, so this is also where I'm gonna finish the vlog while they're having conversation there. I hope that you enjoyed watching this special vlog, and that's gonna be all for today. So, whatever you're doing, wherever you are, you do have a great day, or you do have a great night. Bye-bye. I forgot. Again, this is Kate Roberto, and you do have a great day, because I really had a good one. Bye-bye. Everybody, so, wait, it's my roommate's birthday today. Come here. And we are here in Escardo.
Hi.
It's not actually today, it's gonna be like 2 days from now, but I'm no longer gonna be here, so I'd like to surprise him because he was really like a good roommate. And he's gonna be turning 18, so let's make it something special. And you know that Muslims don't celebrate birthdays, so just to give them like a little bit of what it feels like to celebrate birthday. So let's do this. No need to press anything, okay?
Speaker.
No need, it's okay. No
Happy
need.
birthday. Speaker.
Wait. Move there, move there. Wait. Papa. Come there. Close the door, close the door. Close the door. Psst. Psst. Close the door. Ayoko manik ng cellphone sa speaker, so wait lang natin. I-open ko to, wait lang. It's good. Okay, let's do this. Ilang yung light? Birthday to you. Ah!
I like it.
Hold the cake. It's your birthday. It's a surprise to you. Yes.
Thank you.
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Okay. Ah, di ba? Success. Kahit stress man sa internet. Okay. Let's cut the cake.
Oye, ano, pwede na gani, ano sa iyalan bakery.
Yun na yun. Buwisit yung usok at sakit sa ilong.
Good evening, good evening.
Oy, success! Alam mo yan. Oh, alaban. Are you happy?
Yes.
Oh, see you. You're welcome. Put the music again. Oh, diba? I told you. See?
Ano, मैं जो सीन कह रही
Ganun lang. Oh, diba? Very quick. Oh. Say hi, Snapchat guy. Oh. Ay! Pakita natin yung ano. Ay, hindi mo birthday. Oh, pakita mo yan. Hey! Happy birthday to you. Hey, sing everyone. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ano ba? Ay, hoy ako din. Harap. It's good. Ang saya.
मत गंदे हो गए तो साला है जो